Welcome back to Vernon Speakeasy. My name is Logan. I'm the bar manager here at Vernon Speakeasy, and today we're going to be going over simple syrup. So this one's a really easy but essential thing behind almost any bar. It's just the easy way to add that sweetener. All it is sugar and water, and we're going to dive right in and teach you how to make it. So this one is just a perfect 50-50 split between sugar and hot water. Now, you don't have to use hot water, but it helps it dissolve so much faster and so much easier that there's no reason not to. So we'll do 100 grams of water. And if it's not exactly perfect, it's not a big deal either. And we'll mix it right in with 100 grams of sugar. So we're nearing the top, so I'll slow down. So we had 103 grams of water. So I'm gonna go 206 grams total and try to add 103 grams of sugar. And golden. And all we have to do is stir. We're gonna wanna make sure, stir rigorously, try to get all of the sugar on the sides diluted in there and melted in. And you're just gonna keep stirring until you get a perfectly clear mixture. Because it won't look cloudy, it won't look anything. It'll be completely and perfectly clear. Probably if you use hot water, it'll probably only take you about 30 seconds, maybe almost a minute, but that shouldn't be any longer than that. Already, I'm at my desired look. It's gonna be a lot clearer. And what you're left with is a perfectly clear, simple syrup mixture. Gets a little bit of hue to it, however, that's perfect. We use it in almost every cocktail. There are so many that require it and so few that don't. That's the perfect simple syrup right there, 50-50 mixture. They'll have that nice slight color of hue to it. And that's gonna be it for Vernon's YouTube channel today. Thank you so much for joining us.